Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can take this one colour, one layer design and turn it into a multi-layer, multicolored design. As we can see here on the layers panel, it is just literally one layer. And this would be fine if you wanted to just cut it out in one block colour. You could make that now and cut it out in either self-adhesive vinyl or heat transfer vinyl. We want to make it look a little bit more colourful. So this is what we need to do. When you have text or images that are like in a block with straight edges, like the word trick, then it's easy to slice it. But with the bats, because there's a word in the middle that we want to separate off, using the slice option would not work for that. So I'm going to show you a really good way of getting around that. First thing we're going to do is we're going to select a shape. So we're going to select a rectangle and we are just going to position that over the word trick and expand it so that all of the word is covered over. And as we can see now, we have two layers. Then we are going to select all of the design and the rectangle, and now we have some options to slice, combine, attach or flatten. We are going to select slice, and as we can see now, we have our slice results. We're going to remove the top layer and delete it because we no longer need that. We can remove the next layer because we no longer need that one as well, and we're left here with our word trick that is now separate to the bottom half of our design. And for that now we can individually change the colour of that. The bottom part of our design is still attached, and this one we're just going to do something a little bit different. First thing we're going to do is we're going to duplicate it. Now it's been duplicated, we need to select contour, and for this we're going to remove every image apart from the bats. So we're going to select the word or, and we need to make sure we select the centre parts of the word as well, and all of the letters and centre parts, just like so. Then when we click off it, we can see there we just have our bats left, and again we can change the colour of those. Now we're going to duplicate our design again and head down to contour, and for this one we're going to remove everything except the word or, like so, and we are going to change the colour of that. And then for the final one, treat, we're just going to use this design and we're going to contour and we're going to get rid of everything except the word treat. And there we go. And we can leave that black if we want to, or we could change it to be a different colour. And now we're able to move around our design and position it as we want it. And as we can see now, over in the layers panel, we now have 4 separate layers in 4 separate colours. This is perfect now if you want to head over to make it. Cricut is now going to ask us to select how we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it on the mat. And as we can see now, Cricut has separated it all out into different colours on different mats to show how it's going to cut out for us. And that is a really quick and easy way on how to make a one layer, one colour design, multi-layer and multicoloured. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.